Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to the All About DIYs 200 channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I wash and a little bit of how I detangle my fussy natural hair. This may be one of the easiest ways that you've seen yet, and you'll see what I mean as we get into the video. If you're new to this channel, thank you for joining us today, and if you've been here before, I'm glad to have you back. So to wash your hair, it is very advisable to do it in sections. I always wash my hair in sections because if you wash it in one big clump, you may spend the whole of the day just trying to detangle your hair afterwards. And as you can see on the video, I've got my hair into 30 sections and I've been working in these 30 sections for a few months now. So for this wash day session, we're only going to need a shampoo conditioner combination, and in this case I'm using the Tresemme 2-in-1 multivitamin blend. You can use shampoo and conditioner separately, but I just like to use it combined together in one bottle for ease of use. You'll also need the Tangle Teaser scalp massaging brush, and for the detangling process at the end you can use a wide tooth comb, but in my own case, as you might know, I like to use my fingers to detangle. I have a separate video which I'll link above here on how I detangle my fussy hair. You can watch that for a detailed review of how I detangle my hair. So to wash the hair is simple. I'm going to wet the hair and then apply the shampoo conditioner mixture and scrub the hair, scrub the scalp as much as you want, and then also wash the hair as well. And then I'm going to do that twice. The first time is washing out all the products that I've got on my hair, and then the second time you'll see that the lather is become whiter and clearer, which tells me that the hair is clean. If you've just loosened your hair from a braid or a twist or from some weave-on or attachment and you're wondering how you're going to put it in sections, my tip would be to twist your hair into little sections as you're loosening the hair so that it's not going to just be full and scattered by the time you're done loosening the whole hair. So as you're losing each section, you're gathering them and making the little sections as you go, so that by the time you're done losing the whole of the hair, it's ready to go. You'll notice that in the first wash, there was hardly any foam, and that's because of all the oils that was in my hair. But in this second wash, you can see that it's foaming quite well, and that tells you that the oils are now out. As you can see here, this is the second wash, and you can see that the foam is now looking white and it's foaming quite a lot, which tells me that this hair is clean now and ready to go. I'm now going to rinse it out thoroughly and then start the detangling process. I know that it's not really easy to take care of natural hair, especially those people that have got fussy hair, and putting water to the hair causes shrinkage and makes the hair really short and difficult to handle. But this method of washing the hair is what I normally use, and I encourage you to use as well because it practically makes the whole process very easy. So I always wash my hair in sections. This gives me ease of access to my scalp. It allows me to apply whatever products I want to apply to my scalp. It allows me to work easily with my hair and handle it better. The great thing about detangling the hair while it is wet is that it makes the hair soft, it gives it a natural slip, and it makes it easy to handle. It is even much more easier to handle if you applied some oils to it at this point. But I'm not going to show you this application of oils because I'm going to show you how I do it just now without oils. I'm just going to show you how I detangle the 6 in front. These mini twists were in for 3 weeks, and as you can see, there's some tangling at the base of the hair. So here I'm just showing you guys that shrinkage is real. You can see how long the hair is compared to how short it becomes when I let go because it is wet. So it shrinks when it is wet, and this can make it to tangle and form single strand knots if you don't handle it in sections like we are doing now. So yeah, that's how real the shrinkage is. Also, as you can see, there's reduced amount of shed hair using this method. So you can see that you're not going to be snagging and cutting your hair if you work the hair in sections. So I'll just let you watch the rest of the detangle process, and I'll come back to show you the final product. Okay. So I went on to complete the detangling process off camera, obviously with my water bottle. And here's the final looks of what it is. It is dry now. There is absolutely no product on the hair. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go on now and apply some oils to the hair and style my hair as I'll carry it for the rest of the week. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed watching me wash my hair and detangle today. I hope that you will give this method a try. Please comment down below in the comment section if you've tried this method before, or how do you wash your own 4C or natural hair. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like to see quick, easy and cost-effective ways of doing things in and around the home, including tips on hair care, food and weight loss tips, and have a look on other videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please share to friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.